Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Let's get out of this little small, tiny house.
We're getting claustrophobic in here.
It's so small. We gotta go look at the river before we float the river. So right over there, they're airing up our tubes for us, so we don't have to worry about airing them up. We're gonna walk down this way over here and let you guys see what it looks like. Get the boys' reaction to seeing the river for the first time.
Where is that? Oh, that's clear.
There's the river, guys. Hey, Xander, see how clear it is? Hey, look, they actually have the slide up now. It's just not open. So the slide is up now, guys, but it's not open yet. Xander's testing the waters out here. He couldn't hold back anymore. He had to test the water out. Hey, that direction over here, Xander. That's where you want to swim at. It's right through that area. Look at your son, eh? Hey, take your shirt off. This water is so clear, man. I love this water.
Boy, smile.
Is my ankles frozen?
What are you talking about?
I can't move them.
Get in.
Like, those kids are so...
I know, exactly. Xander said he's going to jump in right there.
Do it. Is it deep?
No, it's not that deep. You're fine. You'll be able to just touch the bottom. Just jump in. It's not deep, no.
Then you know how to swim. Like.
Yeah, exactly.
You get used to it fast.
Hey, right there, Xander. Hey, Xander, right there. Right there.
That's pretty deep.
You know how to swim. Look how clear that water is, kid. You can see your feet.
Yeah, I can't get that far yet. I'm so careful.
It's gonna be fun.
My turn.
Told you you could do it.
I'm gonna step and fall and bust my butt. I'm not going to.
There you go. You're on an island all by yourself. That's your island.
I'm gonna come get you.
Okay, go get him.
No, that's too scary.
Goodness, dude.
I'm gonna freeze.
That's why you have water socks on, dude, because they're slippery. See how shallow it is over there?
Wait, it's shallow?
On that side, yeah. See? It's just this little spot right here that's kind of deep. So last time we were here, they didn't have the slide completed. The slide's up now. Supposedly it's not open until next week. But somebody just said it was going to open up at noon today.
But yeah, they said Memorial Day weekend, so 2 weeks. That's when it's supposed to.
Okay. We'll see.
We'll see. Maybe we can go down it later. That'd be fun.
Maybe we can jump off this rock in a little bit. Right out here where that kid's standing there right there.
Y'all have
Look,
fun with that.
watch this, look.
Oh my God. Yeah.
Maybe we should do that later, Xander.
Yeah.
Boys spending time with Mama on Mother's Day weekend. So nice to have these little family getaways with the beautiful river. The boys found Broken Bridge. That's what this place is called, Xander. Hey, this is called Broken Bridge. Look where it goes across.
You can
See where it was supposed to connect? Over there. Right over there. This is where this bridge broke, though. Amy just slipped over there wearing flip-flops instead of water socks like everybody else is doing. Thankfully she's got the iPhone 7, which is water resistant, so shouldn't be too big of a deal. Jacob just said he feels like he's at Disney World. This bus is not like Disney World's bus, dude.
Disney World's a little bit nice.
Yeah, these buses are a little beat up, and there's like some beer cans right there. I mean, floating the river, guys. It's gonna be fun. taking a little snack break. We're like, what, 45 minutes into it, but we've only gone probably like 5% of the way.
This is going to be like an 8-hour trip.
This is so much longer than it was with Penny and Eric.
Yes, the water is more shallow.
The problem is it's shallow, and we're having to keep the kids together. Like we're strapped together, so it makes it where the shallow spots, they're not really much of a help. So we have to really do a lot of work.
But we're still having fun.
Yes, we are. Beautiful. Look at this. This is what we get to see. Look how beautiful. So pretty. So peaceful.
Hey Eric, do you see the sign?
Yeah, I see it.
Dangerous waters, walk around the falls.
I think I can do it.
Are you sure?
I think so.
We're being smart and we're walking around.
Alright, I'll meet you over there.
Okay, but wait for me to get video. It could go viral. Here's the waterfall. Here comes Eric. This makes me nervous, guys. I'm a little nervous. Would you go down it? Get in the middle.
I told you I could do it.
Good job, babe. Now wait for us.
You got me, 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 you got me. You got me, 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 you got me on fire. You got me, 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 you got me on fire. Got me, you got me, got me on fire. Got me, you 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 got me on fire. You you got me, 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 got me on fire.
All right, so we're done with the river. Now we're gonna sit down and have a good dinner. Everybody's a little tired, a little wore out.
We are, but it was so fun.
Was it fun, Xander? Did you have a good time? How about you, dude? Good time? Yeah? What was the best part?
There's really
The river.
The river.
Peeing in the river.
I think you did it like 10 times.
Probably.
Seriously.
I love this restaurant because of all these hummingbird feeders and bird feeders they have. The hummingbirds are always flying around out here. It's awesome. Some grilled chicken, some green beans and other stuff, scallops, corn, roll, nachos.
Nachos. Share it with them.
Nachos? Serious? Nachos?
That's what we chose.
A grilled cheese? Serious?
That's the only thing that has like good on pizza.
I don't know about that.
Soured it.
They put both of them in.
You're crazy.
That's your son.
You're crazy.
It's a little sour. You should give mommy a kiss now. Mom.
Sour.
This is the hardest part about going downhill. Is going uphill. Having fun? Working off dinner. Working off dinner.
Go backwards, it helps.
No, it doesn't. Ugh. Oh my gosh. My legs are just burning. So in case you guys and gals were wondering, we're using the GoPro right now because for some reason the Canon was put into a waterproof bag, but it wasn't waterproof and there's water in the G7X. So we're kind of scared that it's going to be messed up. And I just took everything out of it. We left it alone. I grabbed the memory card out of it. It looks fine. I'm going to try to get all the footage off that tonight. But there might be issues with the camera now. So we're going to leave it alone, get home, throw it in a bag of rice for a couple days, and hopefully that fixes it. Hopefully. We're crossing our fingers because we really don't have another $500 to drop to go get another camera. That would really stink. Happy Mother's Day.
Playing some football. Now they're playing baseball.
So we're walking around and Xander got to see his first fireflies. I think Jacob did too. I don't think Jacob's ever really seen fireflies.
Have you seen it before?
No,
No?
this is both of them. This is our first time to ever see fireflies.
I love it.
All right,
It brings
just
so many memories.
see that. Check this out, guys. Just watch.
Daddy, look, I have one right
Hold on.
now. Come here. Come on, go back in. Got one.
You have one?
Yeah. Come on, go out. No.
And there's a firefly.
Oh.
He flew away.
I had for like 2 seconds.
Did you get one? Oh, he's got one right here, crawling on him. Well, you just got to see it light up, dude.
They're easy to catch because they
That is so cool.